Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create digital planner to sell on Etsy using Canva as a beginner. I'll also be showing you how to add hyperlinks to your digital planner, which is very important in 2023 and going beyond, as this increases the selling potential of your digital planner. And by the way, if you are interested in selling digital planners but you have a slight doubt, as you can see, I'm currently on Etsy, and if I were to tap on any one of them, for example, this one right here, you can see that this person has sold over 10,000 copies. So you can see that persons are definitely buying digital planners. And you can see that this person has sold over 131 copies. So selling digital planner is definitely a good idea if you are looking for a way to make passive income from the comfort of your home. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go onto Canva, and you can sign up for Canva completely free. All you'll need is your email address, and that's it. So once you have signed up to Canva, the next thing we're going to do is decide on the size. And I would recommend that you choose A4, as A4 is the size that is used for iPad and so on. And majority of persons nowadays are reading ebooks, are using digital planners on their iPad or bigger devices instead of just their regular phone screen. And the beauty about it is once you have created your digital planner in A4, it will be able to also be used on a mobile device and still look good and function properly. Compared to if you create it solely for the mobile device, it won't work or won't look good on an iPad. So once on Canva, you're going to select create a design at the top right hand corner, and you're going to select A4 document. After selecting A4 document, you will be redirected to this page. And you can see right here, you have a menu option on the left hand column. You have design, elements, uploads, text, and so on. And you have your canvas right here. What I want you to do is select design, and then you are going to type in digital planner, or you can type in months 2023 if you're planning to create a digital planner with the months, and more than likely that's what you're going to do. So you can type in months 2023. After typing in months 2023, you can see this one here. So if you would like to use this template, you can simply tap on it. You can simply tap to add that template. So we'll tap on the plus to add that particular template, and you can see that it has been added. Now all you have to do is tap on apply all 12 pages. So we'll select apply all 12 pages and give it a few seconds to load up. All 12 pages have been added. After all 12 pages have been added, you'll be able to edit the background if you want. So what I would recommend you do, you can delete sections like this, you can tap on that. And then we'll also add a background image. To add a background image is quite easy. All you have to do is simply tap on the page. Once you have tapped on the page, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you could upload an image if you want. But for this example, I'll select background in the bottom left hand corner. After selecting background, you will see numerous images you can choose from, or you could type in the type of background that you would want. And once you have found a background that you like, for example, this one right here, you can simply tap on it, and you can see right there that the background image has changed. So you want to add an eye-catching background. The next thing you're going to do, as you can see right here, we have now added background. What I want you to do is label each page. So for example, you're going to tap right where you see page 1, and you're going to type in January. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, and right where you see page 2, you're going to type in February. And the reason why we are going to do this is because remember we are going to create hyperlinks and we are going to be linking pages. And you can also use this example or whichever digital planner example as inspiration, and you can get ideas from it as you can go scroll through and see the different pages. So instead of just adding the months alone, you can add other pages and then you'll be able to add the hyperlink to it. So what we want to do, we are going to label each page. So you would scroll down and you label all of the pages. Once you have done that, now to add a hyperlink, all you have to do, for example, let's say I want to add hyperlinks to January. All you'll have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you are going to select elements. After selecting elements, you are going to type in lines and shapes, as you can see right here. After selecting lines and shapes, what I want you to do, this square item right here, this square shape, you are going to simply tap on it, or you can simply drag it, and you are going to place it to the end of the digital planner right there. So you can quickly tap on it, then you are going to drag it to the end. Let me do that real quick. Right there, as you can see, and you are going to create one more for this example. And you can create numerous, it all depends. So you can simply drag it right here. After you have done that, you can change the color by tapping on the square box or the color box in the top left hand corner. So we'll change the color. You can scroll down and you can select a different color. So for this example, I'll add blue to that box. Then this one right here, I'm going to change the color also. So I'm going to be changing that color to, let me see, want something eye-catching. I can change it to this color right here. After you have changed the color, we are going to add our text now. So we are going to tap on text. Once you have tapped on text, from here you can select add subheading. Then you are going to simply drag the subheading to the box right here. Then you can type in, let's say I want to add February. So once someone taps on February, they'll be able to go to the other page. So I'm going to type in February. As you can see right here, you'll simply type in February. And by the way, it is quite easy to edit. All you'll have to do is simply tap on it. Then you're going to drag it down right here, as you can see. And then I'll change the font size, so I'll make it smaller. You can change the font size. All you have to do is highlight the font, then tap right where you see font size, and you'll be able to change the font size. So I'll change it to 10. That is too small, so I'll change it to 14. That's still a bit too small. 16. 18. Okay, so let's say we are using this size. Once you have added the font, what you are going to do next is simply select the entire font. Then you are going to tap on the link icon. And after you have tapped on the link icon, you'll type in February. So you are going to type in February. Then tap on enter. And that's it. And then you'll be able to add more hyperlinks if you want. Once you're finished editing your digital planner, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and from here you're going to select share. After you have selected share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select download. Then where you see PNG, this is very important. You're going to change it from PNG and you're going to select PDF print, as this is best for printing. And after you have printed your digital planner, you'll be able to upload it to Etsy. And also you can use Canva to create mockups. So for example, you can see right here, if I were to go back onto Etsy, you can see that this person not only created a mockup video, but they also have some mockups right here. They don't have a lot of mockups, but they have a mockup video. And by mockups, I mean, for example, if I were to type in digital planner mockup, let me show you real quick. So you could type in cell phone mockup. So that's basically, let me show you real quick. That's basically an image of the cell phone, and then you would drag and drop an image of your digital planner in there to show persons an example of how the digital planner will look. So you could type in phone mockup and then you'll just upload an image of your digital planner in that mockup. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.